In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversation on Slack. Whether you're cleaning up old chats, hiding sensitive threads from your sidebar, or just trying to stay organized, knowing what you can and can't remove in Slack is really important. In this walkthrough, I'll focus on two key things: deleting individual messages you've sent and removing direct messages from your sidebar so your workspace feels less cluttered. Let's start with deleting individual messages. On Slack, you can usually delete messages that you've sent yourself. Just be aware that this ability depends on your workspace settings. Some admins may restrict deleting messages for compliance or record-keeping reasons. If you don't see the option to delete, it's likely that your admin has turned it off. On the desktop app or web version, go to the channel or direct message where your message appears. Move your mouse over the specific message you want to remove. When you hover over it, a small toolbar will appear. Look for the three dots icon, often labeled as More Actions. Click that, and in the menu that opens, choose Delete Message. Slack will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. Once you confirm, your message is removed from the conversation for everyone who has access to that channel or DM, assuming your permissions allow it. Take a second to double-check you're deleting the correct message, because once it's gone, you may not be able to recover it. Now let's talk about direct messages, or DMs. A common point of confusion is that Slack does not let you delete the entire history of a one-on-one DM for both people at once. There's no single button that completely erases a DM thread from Slack's servers for everyone involved. What you can do, though, is clean up your own view. If you want to remove a DM from your sidebar on desktop, look at the left-hand sidebar where your conversations are listed. Find the direct message you want to hide. Hover your cursor over that DM, and you'll see a small X icon appear next to the person's name. Click that X. This doesn't delete the conversation or its history. It simply removes the DM from your sidebar, helping you keep things tidy. You can always bring it back by searching for the person's name or starting a new message with them. And that's it. By combining message deletion with sidebar cleanup, you can keep your Slack workspace focused and organized while understanding the limits of what can actually be removed.